Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'll be guiding you through how to unblock someone on LinkedIn. If you are looking for a way to unblock someone on LinkedIn, then the process is quite easy. First of all, go ahead and open up your LinkedIn application on your device. After you're inside the homepage of LinkedIn, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Now within the Settings interface, click on Visibility. Under Visibility, scroll all the way down until you see the blocking option and tap on it. Inside the blocking menu, you will be able to see the people that you've blocked. To unblock the contacts, tap the unblock button right next to them. In the text box, type in your LinkedIn account's password. After you do that, click on the unblock button in blue and you will then be able to unblock the contact. So that is how you easily unblock someone on LinkedIn. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.